Hi friends, welcome to my channel Village Skills. In this video I am going to show you how to make a paper coaster easily at home. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Village Skills for more creative videos. If you would like to see my previous videos, please check out the links in the description box below. Let's get started. Things we need: first take any cardboard piece and take 9 centimeters. Here 9 centimeters length, 9 centimeters width. Now cut this part. Now take any magazine book, take out the paper. Now take our cardboard piece, apply the glue in this way. Spread it all over the piece. Now take the magazine paper and stick it in this way. Now cut the extra paper. Now turn the other side. It looks like this. Now take another magazine paper and fold it into half. Now cut it into 2 pieces. Now take one piece and fold it into 3 halves. This is the one size, and for small one, fold it into 4 halves. Now, take the pen and roll it in this way. Apply the glue here and continue the rolling till the paper ends. Apply the glue again and roll it. Now take out the pen. Now our paper rolls are ready. Now take out our cardboard piece. Now take one roll. Now cut the extra part. Take another roll. Cut the extra ends.
Cut the extra.
Now apply the glue. Take one roll and stick it in this way. 4 sides want to stick like this. Now apply the glue on the top of the cardboard. Cut the rolls according to the cardboard size. Now apply the glue inside of that paper rolls and take another paper piece and stick it in this way. Now take the rolls and cut according to this size. Now apply the glue one side, stick one roll, apply the another side, now our beautiful paper coaster is ready. It's very easy done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Village Skills for more creative videos. If you would like to see my previous videos, please check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.